Hello, today I'm going to walk you through the Groups Preview extension. This is a Chrome extension that works inside Gmail. Now, what we were trying to really solve is a common problem, and the challenge really is that we use distribution lists today that kind of look like this. So these are just some examples of lists that I personally use, and it's really hard to figure out who the members are of these groups just by looking at these names. And currently, Gmail does not give you the ability to look at the membership before you actually send the email. So it's a real challenge, and you can only hope that you're sending this email to the right group before you do. So what we thought we could do really quickly is build an extension that allows users and gives them the ability to not only view but also expand lists. So the solution is a Chrome extension that's hosted on Google App Engine, and it uses OAuth 2 as the authorization mechanism that the user has to take a step, which is a one-time step, to authorize this extension to give them access to the Gmail. And once that has been done, they're ready to go. And also one of the things that we've done at Roche is that we have the Chrome for Business build. So one of the things that we can do is pre-install this extension. So the users don't really have to look for it. It just sort of pops into their Gmail, and they can just get started. What we've also done is, in order to pull members from the groups, we are using the Google Groups API to pull that, and we also use Memcache within App Engine to cache the members of the groups once a user has searched for them. So the second or third time they come to that group, the search basically pulls that from the cache rather than going back to the Google Groups API. This also helps us with very large groups because Google Groups limits the number of people that it returns in every call to 250. So for very large groups, we have to make several calls. So we also have used lazy loading within the interface so that the user does not have to wait for too long before the results are displayed. So that's about the extension, a little bit behind the scene view. Some of the things that we were mindful of is that Gmail today has a limit on how many emails you can send from a single account. So, and the limit is 2,000. So if you really have a lot of people expanding lists and some of them being large lists or large groups, you can end up with someone's account, sort of hitting that limit, and that would prevent them from sending any more emails out. So in order to prevent that, we are actually limiting the expansion. And when I say expansion, I'll show this in a second, where I'll demo this feature, is we limit that to 250 members. The other thing that we wanted to really do in this first release was to be able to also look into how we could view and expand nested groups. So not just the parent group, but a lot of our distribution lists have nested lists within them. And we wanted to provide that ability in the first release itself. The third thing that we were very careful about is that we make sure that we are really not degrading that overall user experience within Gmail. So we wanted the extension to be kind of seamless. It should look and feel like it's just part of the Gmail interface, and also doesn't degrade the experience. Like I said, we really wanted this to be something that the users would love. And I want to give a shout out to the team of people. These are the developers, the UX experts, the testers, the folks that really make this happen. So I wanted to give a big thank you, and I'm very proud of them. So let's move on to the demo. So now I'm in my Gmail, and as you can see, I'll actually zoom into one of these emails that looks like might be sent to a distribution list, and it's this one. So if I actually click on it, you can see it's been sent to a lot of people. And as I hover my cursor over one of them, you can see that we are plugging in this little button that says Show Members. What the Show Members does is it's because I've already authorized this extension, it just pops out and shows me the list of people. Here, these are just 3 people, but I can see that this is a nested group, so I can click on it and it will actually expand to show me all the folks that are part of this list. Now, one of the things that we wanted to do was in the inbox view is also give the ability to select members. So you can actually select all the members and copy them. So you can do a Command C or Control C and go to your spreadsheet and copy this into a Google spreadsheet very quickly and easily. This is something that we hear a lot of admins do, when they're having offsites or managing, a large event, that they want this ability to paste into a spreadsheet. So that's one of the use case. The other one is when you are in a compose window. So I'm going to open a compose window here, and basically if I type in a name of a group that I'm part of, you'll see that I typed it in, but again, I want to make sure it's the right people, and so I click on Show Members. So here you can see the little drop down has shown me all the members here. What I can also do is expand this list. So I can click on this little expand link, and what this will do is really explode that distribution list. So now you can see that it's exploded that list into my To field. You can do that for your CC field as well, but it gives you an easy way to expand and then control the list of people you want to send it to that way. So for example, if it is, we are throwing a surprise birthday party and it's Ukash's birthday, so I can take him off this list, keep the rest of the team on there. And here you can see I have actually a nested group in there. So what I can also do is show the members and also expand that list. So now I've taken Ukash out of it, but I have left rest of the team in there, and now I'm ready to send this email. So that's pretty much what the Groups Preview extension does. It is a very handy tool, and we hope that this will only enrich the experience for the user when they're in Gmail. Thanks for watching.